Hello, in this video we will show you how to access the internal RTSP stream of the mixed video produced by AREC Media Stations. The RTSP stream can be pulled to monitor the media station, to use this mixed video as a video source in applications such as OBS and other hardware, including other AREC stations. To access this stream, the URL is rtsp://IP of the station/movie. This stream can be used by no more than 6 clients at the same time. One of the easiest ways to monitor the current mixed video output of the station is to use VLC Media Player. Go to Media, open Network Stream, and input the URL rtsp://IP of the station, in my case is 178/movie. Then hit play. In OBS, we can pull the RTSP stream by adding it as a media source. So in sources, we add a source, choose media. Then you can name this like ADENAcademy, and I click OK. We unselect local file, then input the URL. And hit OK. And that is all you need to do to access the internal RTSP stream of your AREC station. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more training videos and reach us on our website www.a-dena.com.